Hello and welcome to Workshop TV. I'm Michael Juretko. I'm a KNIPEX product manager, and today I'm presenting a new member of the Cobra family. But first I'd like to go over the key features of the Cobra range. By introducing this product, KNIPEX revolutionized the market for water pump pliers. This was thanks to 4 new features that were combined for the first time in products in this range. First and foremost, the adjustment mechanism with a push button, which lets me lock the pliers on the workpiece. When combined with fine-toothing, this leads to considerably improved ergonomics, as both the gripping capacity and the handle width can be individually adjusted. One setting for large hands. Note the size of the gap here. And another for small hands. Another feature is the specially designed geometry of the jaws, combined with meticulously hardened teeth. At KNIPEX, we talk about self-clamping. In other words, the Cobra uses its teeth to bite down hard on the workpiece. You no longer need to squeeze both handles together. Instead, I can apply all the force to one handle. Self-clamping is so powerful that I can even stand on the pliers. The fourth feature is known as a pinch guard. Regardless of the adjustment position of the pliers, both handles are always far enough apart to prevent crushing. No matter the size or design, all these features can be found in every product in the Cobra range. That's true whether it's the 125mm, 250mm, or the 560mm, also known as the Cobra XXL. The range had 7 products, and we have now added an 8th. Say hello to the Cobra XS. It's clear at first glance that this is part of the same range, and it's also clear that some aspects have been modified to reflect its size. The geometry of the jaws, combined with meticulously hardened teeth, are common features shared by all tools in the range. As you would expect, the Cobra has a powerful bite. Just like its big brothers, the latest addition to the range also has self-clamping. It can also be clearly seen here that the pinch guard remains in place regardless of the adjustment position. During development, accessibility was a primary focus for us. That's why it was so important for us to keep the size and weight down to a minimum. At the same time, we also wanted to ensure that the Cobra XS has excellent gripping capacity. The result is a set of pliers that is 100mm in length, weighing only 62 grams, and has a maximum gripping capacity of 28mm. We used the mechanism of the Cobra VDE to adjust the gripping capacity. This design has a modified adjustment mechanism. You can readjust the gripping capacity. In the case of the Cobra XS, we managed to go a step further. We removed the push button when developing the adjustment mechanism to make the pliers more compact. However, we can also readjust the gripping capacity here. The benefit of this is that even in tight and relatively inaccessible workspaces, I can adjust it to the desired gripping capacity with just one hand. The fine-toothing has a total of 11 different adjustment positions. Another advantage of the Cobra XS is its especially narrow and pointed jaws, meaning it can work in tight areas. When designing the handles, we went back to one of our traditions. The handles have a classic embossed roughened surface. The highlighted features of the Cobra XS make it a full member of the Cobra family. And in addition, these are the smallest water pump pliers in the world with full functional capability. A little tip of mine to finish. Combine these pliers with a multi-purpose tool and a torch, and they are perfect for your everyday carry.